Good morning. Well, it is a bright, sunny morning here in Howth, Ireland, a suburb of Dublin. We're here at the Howth Yacht Club, and we're just waiting for the tides to come up enough for us to be able to navigate our way out. Now, as you may recall, the last time we spoke, we were in Kinsale, Ireland. We have to be honest, we've been bad. We've been catching up with friends that we met in French Polynesia. We just didn't get a lot of video shots, so we're sorry for that. But let's catch up now. Today we're going to take off and we're going to make the 24-hour sail across from Ireland to Scotland. And our next port of call will be the Isle of Jura.
Navigation through this very, very narrow passage.
Next level. Next level.
Taking down the Irish flag. We're about an hour outside of Howth, and the wind has died down, and of course it's coming from directly where we want to go. So we're just going to do a little bit of motor sailing and capture what wind we can as we head up the Irish Sea. Seeing lots of boats coming this way from Scotland that are motoring along, as well as some fishing vessels, but it's definitely going to be a busy night. There's lots of traffic in this channel. So we've got sailboat, fishing boat, and a couple freighters. We'll watch as it goes, but definitely busy through here.
So it is about 6:30 or so, and I've got to watch until midnight. It's not going to be very dark until at least 11 tonight because we're so far north. Nice and toasty here in the enclosure, and while Carla's downstairs in bed, I've got a little bit of comfortable. Got my first mate over here, Dean, although he's taking an off-watch sleep. And then Sam's got the starboard side watch tonight, so he's doing quite a good job there as well, as you can see. Almost 10 o'clock on my first night watch here on the way over to Scotland. Hopefully it's my only night watch on the way to Scotland. Just coming up on Belfast off to port, and then be heading up towards Jura Sound. We'll get up there until probably first light, which is about 3 a.m. up here, so it won't take too long. So we'll get about 5 hours of darkness. It never really gets dark, and I think we got a full moon tonight too, so not sure if it counts as night. Oh well, we'll see as the night goes on. Oh, wow. It's chilly out here in Scotland. So it is 5 a.m. and I've come up to spell Carla from her watch a little early because she did not get any sleep last night when she's supposed to have been sleeping. Keep eyeballing her over there, but she's cold and she's sleepy. She's going to bed.
It's really cold.
But check it out, man. The sun is back up again and blazing. Every time I make a radio broadcast, the radio goes off. So you can tell they do a lot of radio broadcasting here. Okay. Well, I'm going to let this one go to sleep. It's about 8:30 and a beautiful morning here on the Sound of Jura. We're heading into Craighouse, Jura, and it's the home of Jura Distillery. They're supposed to have 16 moorings there for visitors, and we're hoping to be able to pick one of those up. We're going to check in there as well. Meanwhile, Carla is sleeping down below, and and I've kind of slowed us down, so give her as much time to sleep or I have to pick up a ball as possible. And right now it's just me and the kids. Sammy's on her favorite fleece blanket over there. And Dean is, where are you, Dean? Oh, there he is.
Wow, what a beautiful day to wake up to. The sun is shining. Perfectly calm out here. We're in Scotland. I've successfully tied up to a mooring ball here in Craighouse on the island of Jura. Had a nice conversation with the National Yacht Line. They have given us the go-ahead to drop our Q flag.
Oh, it's so easy over here. Once you're cleared into Ireland or the UK, you can go amongst the islands of the United Kingdom and Ireland with no more customs. You just have to call in when you change countries, I guess.
Sammy's loving the beanbag chairs.
We are in Jura. We're in the harbor at Craighouse.
And we put the outboard on the dinghy, but what's our small maybe problem today?
We don't have a problem.
All
This
right.
is where I'm an optimist and Carla's a pessimist. So Carla is assuming that the dinghy motor won't start. And I'm assuming that I'm going to pump that valve, pull that trigger, and she's going to start like a demon.
Well, let's do it.
Don't be jinxing us.
I'm not jinxing us. Pump it good. Pump it real good. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. Our tasks for the morning are now done. Griffin, aka Brad, is ready to go. In a couple of hours, we're gonna head to the Jura Distillery. We are headed in for a Scotch tour. Jura is the 8th largest island in Scotland, and it's the least densely populated of all the islands. It has had a colorful history of Gaelic, Norwegian, and Scottish settlements. Craighouse is the largest community on this island, which has a population of around 200 people. It is also the home of the island shop, church, primary school, the Jura Hotel and Bar, gallery, craft shop, tea room, and the community fuel pumps. And I must not forget, it's also the home of Jura whiskey.
Sorry, am I too early? No.
Yes. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Good news, bad news. This is where we have to leave our cell phones and cameras behind and head into the tour. We just had a great tour.
We did have a great tour of Jura Distillery.
It's right behind us.
Right back
We're
there.
feeling a little tipsy, so we're gonna head back to Gargoyle, get some food in us.
Giddy up. Because I have a big bag full of whiskey here too.
They wouldn't let us take any video in the distillery.
Oh well.
Tomorrow we're gonna come back and we're gonna tour this little town.
Oh, it's so cute.
It is very cute.
Let's go. Okay.
Early morning on Jura. It's a little overcast today. We're gonna see if we can find the garbage. I'm thinking it's right there. Thought they were here, but actually they're over there. Wow, this is nice. Usually we don't get nice places to drop the trash.
We don't.
Well, the supply ship comes in this afternoon with fruit and veggies, so we've got some staples, but we're gonna have to wait and come back for some veggies. So now we're gonna explore the little town, see what's going on. We are in the hunt for some postcards. So there's a little kind of local craft store around the corner here. We're gonna go check it out. Look at the enthusiasm in Captain Nash's walk. How excited are you?
Oh, our crafts get me just giddy.
I know.
Like craft brewery, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay,
it's a brewery, sweetie. Keep walking.
Craft
Keep walking, baby. You're almost there.
Oh, and I can get diesel here too.
Yeah.
Good morning. How are you? Good. A lot cooler.
We have our postcards. I think we're gonna go back to the boat, have some lunch, and then come back for fruit and veggies. This is a great little stop.
Oh,
Lots
yeah.
of little
One of my
arts and
favorite
crafts.
stops in 4 years.
Yeah.
I like that house.
You know what the bad part about living on a boat is you can't really buy any of this stuff because you don't have any space for it. Not like we need it.
That's the good part of living on a boat.
Okay, something like that.
Yeah.
Anyways, back to Gargoyle. It's lunchtime.
Are the back open again?
I left the drawbridge open.
Seals aboard.
Yeah, the sea lions are gonna come. All right, our last trip to Craighouse.
Save this video. I can use it in court.
We're
I have you committed.
gonna go get some veggies.
She hasn't been drinking.
I know. Gonna go get our veggies, and yeah, I think we're gonna have to say goodbye to Isle of Jura. This isn't just any kind of mail. This is royal mail. Veggies. We are gonna load up. Join us for our next video as we explore more of Jura Sound.